How to fix EA app not opening. Hi guys, so in this video, I will teach you how to fix EA app not opening. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do first is to locate the EA app right here. Then click on it, then right click on it. And then after that, just click on properties right here. And this will open this window. So what you need to do is just click on this compatibility right here. And then you can run this compatibility troubleshooter if you want, but you can also just click on this, then click on Windows 8 and change it into Windows 7. And then after that, you can just click on this run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply, then click on OK, and that should be able to change your progress. So once you have done that, what you need to do next is just open the run. You can just search for run right here. So let's search for run and you can open it, or you can also open it through the Windows R button. So let's click on open right here and then just search for local app data. So just type in % local app data % again and then click on OK. And then this will open this folder right here, which you have your app data. So what you need to do is to just scroll down until you can find the Electronic Arts right here. So what you need to do is to just right click on it and then click on delete right here in order to delete it. And then once you have done that, make sure to also delete it in your recycle bin. So just click on the recycle bin right here, right click on it, and then click on empty recycle bin. Click on yes. And then after that, just launch EA again and that should be able to fix your issue. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix EA app not opening. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.